Hello, my name is Ruben Hoffman, project-based learning resource teacher for San Diego Unified School District. And I'm going to go over a quick tip on how to shorten a website address or URL or hyperlink, whatever it is that you want to call it. But basically, we sometimes have these really long website addresses or URLs. And how do we shorten those? That's the question here. So I have a presentation right here, and I like to shorten this long URL. So I'm going to copy that website address or URL. I'm going to bring it over here to my document where I'm going to turn this into a text link. But I first want to show you how long that link is. And so we never want to share a link like that. I mean, it's just, number one, it's too long. Number two, it's really ugly. And how can we present that in a different way and make it more accessible if we were going to type it or just for appearance wise, so we want to click on it. So what I would do is, and I'm not going to keep that there, I'm going to get rid of that. I have the link saved so I can paste it, so it's copied. I highlight the words. This is called a hypertext. I highlight the words, and then I click on link right here, and I paste the website address or URL and hit apply. And that turns it into a hypertext. So that's one way to shorten your URL and make it more accessible and for your audience to know exactly what they're clicking on. Okay. Another way is to actually shorten from this long URL or website address and use a tool like Bitly. So you go in here and you go to, I'm just going to show you guys, bit.ly. I click on that. It opens up this website, and I'm logged in, you can see here, but bit.ly will take you to the Bitly website. So now I want to create a link that's shortened. So I'm going to click here where it says create. I paste my long URL, and I go down here to the bottom and click on create. Okay, so now it's actually customized that long URL or website address into this, and I can copy that and bring it over. And now instead of the long one, it's this long. And by the way, I can also shorten it like this. Once I highlight it, I click on link, and I'm going to paste in that Bitly URL like that. So that makes it a hyperlink right there, but it also, again, is shortening the URL. One really cool thing about this is I can customize this as well. So if I wanted to change the 3N0 or OS, whatever that is, and I wanted to make it my own name, I could call it like choice and voice in assess, right? So I could do something like that and then save it. And here's my new customized URL. The really cool thing about Bitly is we can actually track the data on how many people have clicked on that link. So I'm going to click out of here right now, and you can see total clicks 0 at this point. But as my students or whoever started to click on this, this would give me an understanding of how many people are accessing my website address. Okay, so we went over 2 ways to do this. You're going to take a long URL, and you're going to highlight the text and use the link feature to make a hypertext, or you can use a tool like Bitly and go to the bit.ly website, and then you can create shortened URLs like this, or even customize your own. That was a quick tip on shortening URLs. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.